Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a Gantt chart to PDF and Excel in an Angular application. I will also show you how to customize the documents to be exported. First, I open my existing application, where I have installed the Angular Gantt package, and all the modules of the Gantt chart are configured in the App Module page. In the App Component HTML page, I have added the basic rendering code of the Gantt chart. In the data.ts file, I defined the hierarchical object, project new data, with a collection of tasks. I added fields like task ID, task name, and so on to a single task. I also added the subtasks field to define child tasks. I added other tasks as well, with appropriate parent and subtasks. In the app component class, I have assigned that object to the variable data. In the appComponent.html page, I assigned that data object to the dataSource property of the Gantt chart component. You can refer to my Angular Gantt chart Getting Started video to learn more about configuring the component. I've shared a link to it in the card above and the description below. Let me run this application. See here, the left pane has a tree grid with hierarchical data, and the right pane has a chart with a project timeline to represent the project duration. First, I'll show you how to enable PDF exporting in the Gantt chart component. I need to enable the toolbar to show the PDF export option. So, I open the App Module page, import toolbar service from the Angular Gantt package, and inject it into the provider's array of the ng module. Then, I open the App Component class, declare the variable toolbar options, and assign the PDF export option. Assign this variable to the toolbar property of the Gantt chart. As you can see, the Gantt chart is rendered with a toolbar and has the PDF export option. Next, I open the App Module page and import the PDF export service from the EJ2 Angular Gantt package and inject it into the provider's array of the ng module. Then, I include the Allow PDF export property and set its value to true. When I click this PDF export toolbar button, the Gantt chart should be exported to PDF. To achieve this, I include the toolbar click event, which will be triggered whenever the toolbar item is clicked. Then I assign the toolbar button click callback method. Before defining this callback method, I add the reference variable, Gantt object, to access the built-in methods of the Gantt component. I open the app component class and define this callback method here. Within this method, I'm going to access the built-in methods of Gantt chart, so let me import the viewChild from Angular core. Next, pass the Gantt object reference to the viewChild directive, and then define the variable, Gantt object, of type Gantt component. Inside the callback method, check whether the item text is PDF export, and call the built-in method PDF export using Gantt object. See here, when I click the PDF export option in the toolbar, the Gantt chart will be exported as a PDF document. Now, I will show you how to change the file name of the PDF document. Within the PDF export method, I include the file name option and assign a value, projectdata.pdf. Check now, the PDF file is exported with the file name, project data. I can also customize the look of the PDF document. By default, the page number is generated in the footer of the PDF document. I can enable or disable the footer using the Enable Footer property. For now, I set its value to false. As you can see, the exported PDF document does not have a footer. I can also remove the predecessor in the exported PDF document. I include the Show Predecessor Lines property and set its value to false. See here, the predecessor is removed in the exported PDF document. Next, I will show you how to apply a theme to the Gantt chart PDF document using the theme property. The available built-in themes are Material, Fabric, Bootstrap, and Bootstrap 4. I assign the Fabric theme. The Fabric theme is applied to the PDF file. Next, I will show you how to customize the theme for Gantt chart in the exported PDF document. There are multiple options available to customize the theme style, and you can explore them in the document provided in the below description. First, I will show you how to customize the background color in the taskbar and progress color. It can be changed using the Gantt style in PDF export properties. To change the PDF file colors, I import the PDF colors from the EJ2 PDF export package. I include the taskbar property and change the task color, task border color, and progress color. Check the exported PDF document. The provided taskbar and progress colors are applied. Next, I will show you how to export Gantt chart to Excel. Just like with the PDF export, I need to import Excel export service from the EJ2 Angular Gantt package and inject it into the provider's array of the NG module. I add the Allow Excel Export property and set its value to true. Then I include the Excel export and CSV export options in the toolbar. Check now, the Excel export and CSV export options are shown in the toolbar. As you know, when I click this button, the toolbar button click method will be called. So, in this method, I check whether the item text is Excel export, and I use the Excel export built-in method from the Gantt chart to perform the export action. If the item text is CSV export, then I use the CSV export built-in method. Now when I click the Excel export toolbar option, the Gantt chart will be exported to Excel. And the Excel file will only contain records. Charts cannot be exported to Excel. If you click the CSV export option, the Excel document will be generated in CSV file. Just like with PDF export, I can customize the document being exported to Excel. Using the file name option in the Excel export method, I specify the name, projectdata.xlsx. As you can see, when I click the Excel Export toolbar button, the Excel file will be generated with the specified name. To add a header and footer to the Excel document, I need to add them as rows and cells. I include a single header row by assigning the header rows option to 1. In the rows property, I add a cell with a column span of 4 and the value of project time tracking report. Then I add styles to change the font size and horizontal alignment. Similarly, you can add the footer using the footer option. As you can see, in the Excel document, you will find the header and footer. Now, to change the theme of the exported Excel document, I will include the theme property and specify the font color option for the header and records. Look here, the provided font color is applied to the header and records. Here's a quick recap of what we have seen so far. I showed you how to export Angular Gantt chart records to PDF and Excel. I also showed you how to customize the documents to be exported. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description for this video below. You can also see if you're eligible for our community license, which will provide you a free license key to use our products. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel.